My dear students, I am going to explain you how Newton's first law of motion defines force. As Newton's first law of motion says that a body which is in inertia of rest or in inertia of motion will remain in the same state unless an external cause and an external factor acts on it. So that external factor when acts on a body which is in rest comes in motion. So that external cause, external factor is the force because it changes the position of a body which was in rest. In the same way, a body which is in motion is brought to rest by an external agent, by an external cause, by an external factor, and that factor is force, then only a moving object comes to rest. In the same way, uh, an external cause only change the direction of a body which is on a straight path moving, and that external agent is again force. So that external agent which causes the changes in the inertia of rest of a body, inertia of motion of a body, and changes the direction of a body which is in motion. So we can say that the first law of Newton or Newton's first law of motion gives the definition of force, which is an external cause, which is an external factor to bring the changes in the inertia. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.